Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. My name is Niki. Show you my colours. Hope you're all well. This is Athena by This Little Piggy, or TLP. It's a beautiful pinky gold, rose gold. And this is also one of the new TLP pigments called Lagoon. Look at that, it's gorgeous, isn't it? They've got 9 new piggies coming out on 15th and 16th of January. Beautiful colours. This is also a TLP pigment. This is Galaxy. And this is Liquitex Opera Pink. It's a Liquitex, it's gouache, if I've said that properly. Never know how you say it. And this is Jo Sonja in Aqua. Excuse me. And Matisse Quinacridone Magenta. And what I'm doing, this is a really old canvas, way before Shelley had her course. Gosh, so probably, it was when I first started pouring, so probably about 3 years ago, and I was experimenting with sort of thin paint, and I did spin it out, but I didn't have a Lazy Susan then. I actually used, you'll laugh about this, just an electric fan, and I sort of put it on its side and taped a piece of oh crazy piece of cardboard on it and put it on top of that and let it spin, and it made a real mess. Oh dear. And that's the outcome, but I've kept it just as a reminder. It's good to keep the reminders of your first few pours, so you can see how your art's changed. So that's why I've kept it. And then I suddenly thought, well, I did those transfer swipes on a dry canvas the other day, and as Cindy van der Veen does. So I thought what I'm going to try is using the dry background and utilising transfer swipes, but instead of just normal swipes, abstract, I'm going to do a flower, like it's one of my simplistic blooms. So that's what this is. This is what I'm going for, and I was quite happy with the outcome actually. So yeah, I'll put some music on and I'll let you watch. And my cell activator today is Atelier Titanium White with just a very small amount of Atelier Pale Gold added, just to make it a bit of a warmer white.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
There's a world inside my head. I get lost in it from time to time. No one has a spare key, the only one is inside of me. Go, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go, it's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go, it's overflow. I don't know where to go, yeah I'm a homeless soul. There's a war in me tonight. I try to stop it by escaping it. This game has lost its fun. Run me out, take me down. Hey, I don't really dare to escape. Fall out in another space, so I stay. Hey, oh here we go, it's overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go, it's overflow. I don't know where to go, yeah I'm a homeless soul. I don't wanna fall back down, 'cause I already touched the ground. Someone please hear me. Oh here we go, feelings overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go, feelings overflow. I don't know where to go, yeah I'm a homeless soul. Oh here we go, feelings overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless soul. Oh here we go, feelings overflow. I don't know
hope this has given you some ideas of what you can do over some of your old pours. Have a go at this. As I say, this is my first attempt at it, and I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, I think it looks quite pretty, so I'll probably be doing some more of these. So thanks for watching, and everybody take care, stay safe. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, please subscribe. And everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.